Hey, hey! Welcome back to another ad hoc live stream here. Appreciate all you guys popping in, joining here on your Saturday. Start here in just a minute while folks pop in. Hey. Man, Dot is gone, boys. See, more people pop in here before I start doing some TA for you guys. All right. Well, what? Talk to me, guys. What do you guys want to see today on the charts? The douche, what's up, buddy? How's your 88 trade from last night, man? Got that breakout, huh? Hang on, let me get my camera on here. I don't know why. There it is. So what's up, guys? BTC. All right, we'll take a look at BTC here. FRM. All right. Got Band doing things. Band Protocol doing things. Got ETH about to go to the moon, like perfectly respecting this parabola structure here. You know, back testing right now the breakout that broke out from this area here. Thanks, man. Yep, appreciate it. You know, tips are always welcomed. You know, I do appreciate you guys following me and listening to my nonsense here every day or every other day whenever I do streams. And so, of course you do, right? It's always the problem, right? You always wish you had more of something. But just appreciate what you do have, man. You know, you did take action. You executed a trade. Most people don't even execute properly, man. So that's you're ahead of most people if you're doing that, you know. All right. Yeah, we'll look at sell BTC. We'll look at BTC. We'll just look at BTC first. So BTC right now is coming back to back test. Looks like it might even come back down to, you know, this 35,763 area. So far, it's made a lower high here. Okay, do note that, guys. Made a lower high so far. All right, on the 4 hour here. So what I'd like to see out of Bitcoin here is maybe maybe we don't come back down to the bottom of the demand line and we just make a higher low here, and we continue to just push higher. That's what we'd like to see at a BTC, or maybe just some consolidation's okay, so these other altcoins can run, and that's fine. You know, Bitcoin's just been, you know, making all the moves in this market, so. Hey, the douche, no problem, man. It's all good. You don't need to do that. It's not a problem, man. Seriously. All good. I'm here to help you guys, man. All right. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold this area as support right now. We're getting a little bit of selling here. I wouldn't really call this crazy selling, but we did go into you know, bearish control zone here on the 15-minute, so we could see a little bit of pullback here down to the 36,765 area. You know, that being the 15-minute support here. Yeah, we don't want to break that. We don't want to break that. We want to just consolidate up here. LTC, dude, I don't have super chat until I get, I think, 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time. So tell all your friends about me, man. Let's blow up this YouTube channel. You know, let's blow it up. I need your guys' help to do that. I can't do it all on my own. I'm only one guy here. So, what's your opinion on correlation with DXY and risks going into next week when regular markets open again? Yeah, the DXY is something that we need to pay attention to going into next week. But in my opinion, because there's so much uncertainty with what's happening with that, I think Bitcoin is actually just going to continue its run, because markets, you know, because Bitcoin is pretty much there for uncertainty, right? And I think ultimately we will end up going higher. I just, you know, it's just really all about what kind of patterns we form here, right? So right now we're in this little pennant, and we've made a lower high, but we're making higher lows, right? And you can see that we made another higher low here, and let's see if we can actually end up holding this area here on the 15-minute. If we can do that, then, you know, we've based out here, and we're going to probably just consolidate in this range before then proceeding higher again. And that's what you kind of want to look for when looking at Bitcoin, and in determining whether or not you're in a you know, a long area or a short area. You know, because like right now the RSI band on the 15-minute is curling around. You guys see that, right? By the way, if you guys aren't subscribed to the STP indicators, man, I mean, you're doing yourself a disservice in my opinion if you're new at trading and you want to learn. These tools are really going to help you, and it's really, in my opinion, it's really not expensive. You know, $57 a month for 10 indicators. And you know, it's worth it, man. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and try to shill our products, but it's really a game changer, man. You're not gonna guess anymore. You're gonna, oh, we're in the green band, you know, start you know, taking long positions. Oh, we're in the red band area. You can start taking profits, or maybe even building a short position up here. You know, and it's very, you know, if you're following, it's very easy to follow, right? So. And here you go, guys. The 15-minute is actually hammering right now on Bitcoin. You can see, like, we perfectly called this right now on stream that this would be a potential support area, and we're making a higher low right now as we speak. Hey, Vidouche, if you want to help me with that, that'd be great, man. You know, I'm not a SEO specialist. Obviously, I'm a chart specialist. So if you want to help me with the YouTube channel, and you want to help me grow it, man, I can make you maybe like a community manager or something of the channel, and we can talk separately about that. You can DM me, all right, and we can go from there. I obviously need help growth hacking this right now. This is the time to do it, going into this major run. All right, so we got a few things to look at here. Celsius BTC. It's only on hit. BTC, I don't know anything about this this chart here, but let's take a look at it. Looks like I charted this before. You got this nice run up here. You're still respecting this demand line here for now on sell. Okay, so if you break this, you can expect to go back down to the green band area. All right, So make sure you're aware of that here. I'm looking at the daily chart. The 4 hour looks like, see how it's basing out here? So this could be an area for a long opportunity. And look at the DMI. Look at the squeeze on the DMI. Yeah, you're going into a major squeeze here versus Bitcoin on this asset. It does look like we might be able to see some nice movements to the upside here. Green band area on the 4 hour. And if you were to just draw like a demand line here, a supply line, you can see we're going into a squeeze here. Okay. Hopefully that answers your question. This does seem like a low risk, long opportunity for this asset. Let's see, LTC, I can look at LTC, yeah, give me a second. Also, oh wait, FRM, let's look at FRM. FRM, is that even chartable, man? It's not. Is it on, yeah, it's on Uniswap, looks like, actually. Ferrum, alright. Let's take a look at it. Not enough chart data on this, man. But you might have formed somewhat of a bottom here. Again, not really a lot of data. This could be a bottom though, right? Not enough data to really chart, to be honest. But maybe descending broadening pattern, get up to this supply line area, and maybe break out from there. WCRES, they just signed a contract with Visa. All right, let's check it out. Check it out. I was gonna look at LTC. Let's look at Litecoin, man. Litecoin is one of those coins that I actually own a hodl bag of Litecoin myself, and I think it's going to do major things here as well. All right, I already have this charted. We're back testing this 618 fib extension right now. How you doing, Jesus? Welcome. Welcome. Guys, take a minute. If you guys are enjoying the stream and you like the content here, make sure you guys smash that like button up. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm getting seen on YouTube and other folks joining the stream while I'm live. That really does help. So maybe just take a moment and smash the like button up. I know it doesn't take so long. I've smashed many like buttons in my day here on YouTube. So if you could do that for me, that'd be wonderful. I really would appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel and you like the content and you like what you're seeing here, make sure you smash the subscribe button up and tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. You guys are definitely gonna love the content, and if you guys have been with me the whole way, you guys know that I've called out all these breakouts and all these major moves in this market since the beginning of the run back in October. Okay. Let's we'll look at ETH here. Okay, when using the RSI band indicator to tell the buy-sell zone, do you prefer using a 15-minute chart or other time frame? So, Gio, that really all depends on you as the trader. What time frame you want to use to trade. I personally like to at least look at a 4-hour time scale for big movements. You want to spot like big swing trades. You don't want to trade. I personally don't like to trade micro movements, but if you want to trade micro movements, the 15-minute and the hourly are your friend. And make sure you enter and exit on those same time frames. Otherwise, it will do you no justice. All right. Let's see. ETH. Yep, we can look at that. WCRES. Is that a crypto? Oh, it is. Nice. All right, let's take a look at it again. All right, so this coin, there's not a lot of data, but our STP buy sell zone indicator is signaling a reversal right now. All right, if this candle closes like this on the daily, we will see continued price action to the upside. Nice call on that. Whoever that was that requested this, Transborder, you're the man. This is definitely going to be a nice little swing here. We can see from the swing high here to the swing low, we aren't even at a 236 fib extension. I'd suspect at least we get up to these levels here in the short term. HTR. Take a look at HTR. Yep, let's take a look at it. Nice bull flag here. Again, not a lot of chart data, but we can see that this is in a nice flag. There you go. There's your measured move to about 26 cents if you break out of the channel. And let's see what the chart's indicating. We are indicating price movement to the upside. We haven't gone to bullish territory just yet, so we could maybe consolidate here before we get a big move here on this asset. Risky investor, all right? ZIL, BLZ, and Lisk BTC pairs. Sure, let's take a look at them. Got the breakout on ZIL. I still have these areas as my targets here longer term. So as you guys can see, we were in a bull flag here. We broke out of the flag, and now we're forming another flag. Or wedge, really. This looks like a wedge to me. Looks nice, man. Looks nice. Definitely can see some upside action here. There's definitely some buying pressure on this asset, CryptoSan. Right, we're coming out of negative momentum here on the daily. Stokes pointed up. This looks primed, brother. Looks primed. 35% measured move, 37% measured move on this. Good call. Good call. You're learning, man. I love all you guys. You guys are great. I need you guys, you know, to be my eyes too. You know, I can't look at everything all the time. I'm one person, so appreciate you guys throwing some of these tickers at me. They're looking good, okay, from what I see. I will look at BLZ here. Perfect. Look at the daily, man. You're right at the bottom of the green band territory. This asset is destroyed. Okay. Yeah, man. Great long opportunity here for BLZ versus Bitcoin. Okay. Perfect spot on this one, man. This looks wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I mean, look how tight this is, man. This is perfect. This is gonna go to the moon, man. Moonshot. Moonshot on BLZ here, boys. Moonshot. And we know this is the swing high, right? Most discernible swing high to the swing low. We can expect a up to 50% retrace on this. In time. This could take a couple months. This could take a couple months to get here. But once we get this breakout above this 370 area, there's nothing until, here we go. Here you go, guys. Like, look, let's look. Once we break out of this resistance area at 360 to 375, you know, we don't have anything here until 615 sats. And that's almost a double. It's more than a double up on your money. And then the 767 area, and then, you know, the 50% retrace area, 957, probably the major target area before reversal back down to back test. Okay. Let's see, Lisk. I haven't heard that in a while. Let's take a look at Lisk, sure. Wow, wrecked. Yeah, I mean, this could be bottom for sure. I mean, like, it's the lowest low it's ever seen. You know, RSI ticking up here. Lots of MFI buy signals. Could you at least see a 50% retrace to that 646 area? You know, that looks good. I mean, again, this isn't a major downtrend though, so just be aware of that, all right? Thanks, man. Appreciate the feedback, man, and the compliments. Really do appreciate it, Ace. Okay, we'll look at Hex. We're in a flag. We're in a flag on Hex. In a flag. We're getting tight on the range here now. Coming close to that bottom of the band area on the 4 hour. Holding this support. All right. Making higher lows now. Starting to make higher lows on Hex. You're in a squeeze on the 4-hour STP RS BMI indicator. You need to cross back up to the bullish territory on the 4-hour before. Oh, big move right there. We just popped up to over a penny. Here you go. Speaking of the spike, there it is. Right on stream. Calling double bottoms. Smash that like button up, guys. Let's go. Riff token. Yeah, let's take a look at Riff. That one just got listed. I'm pretty sure that's a big project. I was actually maybe looking to acquire this one myself. I liked what I saw happening on this chart. You can see that this is going into some nice parabolic type moves here. And, you know, we're looking at this bottom side range here. 80% measured move on this once you break the top of the structure. All right, Filecoin. Yeah, Filecoin. Actually, my wife's cousin used to work for Filecoin. I'm the Oracle, bro. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I do my best to give my best analysis here for you guys today, and really until we're all rich, right? Let's take you guys all to the promised land. That's my whole goal, man, is to really spread the knowledge and the wealth of knowledge that I have to you guys, and make sure you guys really do try to soak up the content as much as you can. It's going to change your lives. I promise you, it'll change your life. Yeah, Filecoin's a big buy for sure. I mean, we know that this thing has been in a consolidation period here for quite some time. Here it is. I mean, we got the move. This is basically a flag, I'd call it. Volume came in today on this. You know, we could see. I don't know what happened in my chart here, but Filecoin, I'm not sure is on Coinbase or not, but once we break this top side target here, we're looking at about a 31% move right after we break it, which we're breaking it right now live on stream. So we're looking, you know, about 33 bucks initially on this impulse. Thanks, GeoSurge. We really appreciate your feedback, man. And listen, man, it's really difficult to learn how to trade, but we try to make it very simple for you guys with the tools we have and the alerts that we do provide. Hey, Zeus, I do think ETH does reach those levels. I think it's possible that we can see ETH at 20K, even. For sure. Not sure if you guys caught this GRT trade setup, man, but I posted this on my TradingView profile on January 15th, so yesterday, right before this major move happened, okay? You can come on here, leave a like, you know, talk about the service in here, if you guys took the trade. You know, exposure on TradingView for me is big, and I think will really help the SCP community out, all right? Oh, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man? He took the GRT trade. He took the GRT trade, right? Push the play button, guys. Boom. See ya. This was a wonderful trade setup, man. I think this asset's going to go much, much higher as well. You know, you can see the targets I have up here to about 70 cents. What do you think LTC will reach? I see you already looked at it. I think LTC can reach the 2,000 US dollar level probably by the end of the run. Something close to that area, okay? TRX BTC. Let's take a look at TRX BTC. I mean, here you guys know what it is, man. We're at the bottom of the channel of the trend, and we made a double bottom right here, man. You guys know about double bottoms, right? Bottom, double bottom, right? This is a higher low than this low. Now this means to me we can easily see a move up. At least looking left here, this is the breakout area, 97 sats. Alright, and you can measure. If we break this area, looking at about another 34% in price appreciation versus Bitcoin. Just look left, you'll see where all these wicks are. This is where you want to, set your take profits on these types of trades. Okay, so here, here, here. It literally went straight down, so it's going to go straight up. All right, straight down, straight up. That's how this stuff goes, guys. ICX, man, this is another one. There's the bullish pennant I drew out the other day and broke out. Boom. This had a huge Gartley setup here, Gartley pattern setup, harmonic. What's up, Taylor? How you doing, man? Yeah, dude. I love you, man. When to sell XTZ? Let's see. Not for a while, looks like. Yo, Black Sheep in the house. What's up, buddy? Okay. Tezos. I don't know which chart has the most data. Maybe it's Coinbase. All right, yeah, I haven't charted this in a while, but let's see. Dude, Tezos in a breakout, man. I think this thing is going to make new all-time highs, honestly. You're looking at about 154% measured move once you break 8 all-time highs here. Okay. 11 bucks, 11.30. You can sell at all these targets if you want, but I mean, look, I even have the range structure built out here, 310%. You're looking at $16 on just this range, this leg up. All right. In time. Not going to happen all at once. Right? Like you guys can see that this is an ascending triangle as well. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. This demand line is being respected all the way up here. All right, man. Let's smash those likes up, man. Let's get them going. Smash the likes. Hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't done so already. And tick the little bell. I promise you want these updates, man. And when I come on streams, you guys already know what's up. So I don't need to pull your guys' leg on that, right? Hey, man, profits are profits, brother. Definitely try to secure your profits. Okay? Good job, man. Good job. So you're a new subscriber to the alert service, Lapo, right? Have you already gotten your money's worth in the first month? I'm sure you've made your money back already in just the GRT trade setup that you took the other day. Taylor, you're also a alert subscriber. You can tell the folks here what's up. You've taken some of the option calls, some of the trade setups. Tell the chat. You guys need to tell the chat, man. If coming from me doesn't really help, right? So, Rune. Yeah, Rune. Let's take a look at Rune. That one's going to ruin our life. Oh! Just kidding. Yeah, Rune's gone, man. Double bottom. There it is. Boom. Looks like Parabolic Mania incoming on Rune. Let's get the range. Get the range on this. 180%. Good. There you go, man. It's not going to happen all at once. It'll probably make some retraces. Can you ask for much better, man, for the price, honestly? You know, like, there's a lot of services that exist. We have a lot of competition, and honestly, I don't think these guys are... I mean, there's some stock communities that obviously are probably better than what we have, but, you know, you know, I'm all over the place, man. I'm one guy looking at all these charts all day, so... My goal is to hopefully have this as a full-time gig, man, you know? But I need all of you guys to support me and what I'm doing here, and... Is there anywhere to trade options with BTC as collateral? There is. Hedgic.co. Hedgic.co. And it's wrapped Bitcoin, all right? So you probably need to sell your Bitcoin for wrapped Bitcoin, and you can place I'll show you guys real quick. You guys can place your here. You can you know, you can buy an option contract, you know, up to a 4-week expiration, and you set your strike price. Okay? And this is all decentralized through Hedgic. All right. And here you go. Here you guys go, man. I called the bottom here on BTC at the start of the stream, and here we go. Here we go. Awesome, Risky Investor. Thanks, man. We appreciate all your guys' feedback. We really do. What you guys should do is you guys should write reviews on their website, man. I've been trying to get you guys to do that for some time. We're actually going to pay you guys to do it, man. $50 Amazon giveaway. You guys got to get those reviews on the website, man. Let's get them. Let's get them on there, and I'm going to choose a random one that I like, and you know, hit you guys with a $50 Amazon gift card for that, all right? Let the people know, man. The people need to know what's going on here. My wife just comes in and smiles at me. You want to make a guest appearance, Jackie? No? Okay. No guest appearance. We're looking at ETH BTC chart, man. This thing is looking pretty good. Yeah, broke the flag, right? Bullish rectangle, broke it. Back testing it right now. ETH, man. This is going to be an ETH show. Going to be an ETH show. Ethereum Classic. I personally am staying away from Ethereum Classic because they've been hacked so many times, but I'm sure Ethereum Classic's probably doing just fine in terms of the chart. Take a look at it. Yeah, I mean, you got some nice accumulation happening here. Right, like trade to the top of the range, maybe back test it, and then go. I think this is a good spot, man. We're back testing right now the on the smaller time scale here on the 15-minute. We're back testing the breakout right now. Broke it, back testing it right now, right? So this is probably not a bad area to take along for sure. Link consolidating here for another move. PRQ was actually called out in the main chat the other day by Ninja. You know, broke the trading range here. Big move up, $1.47. These are one of these hidden gems that we think are going to do big things here. You know, on this parabola structure again, guys, I mean, parabolic moves out of this asset. Perfect. It's like perfect. Right? Awesome. Yep, we called out Rose last night, right? On the in the music channel. 20% rip right out. Yeah, man, this is gonna break out. Breakout incoming on Rose. Big breakout coming. Look at the MACD here, man. RLC, nice little falling wedge break. By the way, I was talking about Hedgic before. This is that website for the options. I think this coin is gonna go to the moon, man. It's gonna go to the moon. I'm probably gonna buy a long-term bag of this. I just wanna. Let's check out Cody. Yeah, Cody. Ace, where are you at? Are you still on here, man? You've been talking about Cody for some time, and I think that this is going to be another big rip up too. Look, we got this accumulation happening here on this asset, and it's definitely going to go to the moon. It's actually about to break the range right now. We could be trading a breakout if you guys want up here. You know, one touch, two touch. This third time it's touching it. Usually third time's a charm. The more times you test a resistance, the more likely it is to break. Okay, and the same goes for supports. The more times you test a support, the more likely it is to break the support. Always keep that rule in mind, guys. If you're testing a resistance for the first time, it's usually not going to break it. You know, you're looking for second and third time retests for resistances for breakout trades. So always keep that in mind. Don't get emotional when you're trading breakouts because they don't usually break out right away. It's usually the second or the third time, okay? That is a rule. You guys should definitely be writing that down. Cody BTC is looking good. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, the US dollar pair looks like it's ready to explode. Guys, another great tool here for watching cryptos is livecoinwatch.com, okay? And you can go to, once you are logged in on your Google or whatever you want to use to log in, you go to customize and you click on liquidity, pressure, and depth. Now what's really cool about this is you can sort it by the buying pressure, which basically calculates all of the order books that they're aggregating data from, and you can see how much buying pressure there is on an asset. And then what I do is I scroll down and look for an asset that's on Coinbase. Okay, I see QuantStamp. I know QuantStamp is on Binance, right? So QSP, I'm just taking this for example. And we know that this asset, I mean, yeah, it's already up 7%. but we know that this asset has a lot of buying pressure. And then we look at the chart and see, like, wow, we're in a little flag here, consolidating right under major resistance on the weekly. And look at the weekly, man. The weekly is like all the way down here at 54 on the RSI. There's probably going to be a major move for this asset coming here shortly. Let's go to a 3-day, and we can see that you can see the STP DMI squeeze happening, and you're still holding above 50 on the RSI. This is, I mean, there you go. This is about to be a major move on this asset. Like, I just literally went on livecoinwatch.com, saw the buying pressure, pulled up the chart, boom. It's literally that simple, guys. It's literally that simple, okay? Sushi up here, you know, I mean, not that big of buyer to seller ratio, but it's up 12.62% in the last 24 hours. You know, Cosmos, nice little 1.19 buyer to seller ratio on the books. You know, I mean, this is how you're going to be able to see once the selling is going to come in. So Litecoin still has a 1.2 buyer to seller ratio, so we can expect Litecoin to make a move. Ethereum has a positive buyer to seller ratio. Bitcoin has a positive buyer to seller ratio. You know, and then you can just sort it by buying pressure and go down the list. And you know, make sure. I usually put on a market cap filter, so we're not trading any, you know, complete S coins here. 15 million is my you know, my at least input here. So let's see what we got. Yeah, Quantstamp was there. JST, I think that this is on Binance for sure. 3-to-1 buyer to seller ratio. Let's look up JST right now, man. This is probably going to be doing some funny stuff. All right, Binance, here we go. Yeah, I mean, look at this thing. This thing looks like it bottomed. This thing's about to go to the moon. You know? At least to the 382 fib extension here at 3.3 cents once we get a break. Like 1 test, 2 tests. This is the 3rd test, right, guys? This may consolidate for a bit before it goes, but I mean, you got that buyer to seller ratio that's drastic, man. That's a drastic ratio, right? You know, 3-to-1, 4-to-1 on that. That's gonna make moves. It's gonna make moves. Civic Coin here with a 2.2 buyer to seller ratio. You know, Maker here with a 2.2 buyer to seller ratio here. You know, like Kava Coin, 2.26. Question is when to sell. I mean, that's up to you, man. If you got a better place for your cash right now, then definitely allocate it, right? So I'm not here to tell you. When to take profits. You should take them as needed for sure, and definitely secure them. You never know when there's going to be a rug pull, right? So, but I think long term in this cycle, you know, we're looking, you know, towards the end of the year. I'm looking to scale out towards the end of the year. You know, September, October, November, December, I'll be definitely liquidating my portfolio, my altcoin portfolio anyway. I do intend to hold Bitcoin long term and Ethereum long term, but some of the altcoins plays that I have, you know, like some of the small caps like Algorand and you know, Chainlink, and you know, I mean, well, Chainlink's probably a long-term hold as well because they're going to be involved in derivatives markets. But yeah, absolutely with the altcoins. Yeah, I would be rolling them for Bitcoin and Ethereum to bolster your long-term holding position, long-term bag positions. Yeah, Walton Chain, right? That thing rip out. Didn't do it yet. It's a slow mover, man, but this is look at the accumulation happening here. You can see it's still on path. It's still on its path. Still looking good. Still looking good. Still looking good. Yeah, we looked at Rune. Rune looked good. I think BZRX is another one that's going to go to the moon. Nice little falling wedge pattern here. Oops. And it didn't quite do what I wanted to do back here, but what is the advantage of using BTC as collateral? I don't really know. Lapo, yes, I would say the altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum mostly, and then I would be selling most of those altcoins back for Ether or Bitcoin to bolster your long-term holdings, and also, you know, you're probably going to want to take some profits in stablecoin. This isn't financial advice, by the way, guys, but this is going to be my game plan because I'm going to want to have capital for the next bear market and to reaccumulate, you know, some altcoins and some Bitcoin and Ethereum. So. And BZRX here, nice accumulation. You guys can see the rounded bottom action here. About to break this 27 cent area and go right on up to 36.6. And you guys can see this too, another rounded bottom here. And then we had nice consolidation and breakout here on the major supply line for BZRX. Chainlink pulling it back a little bit here after making this impulse up. Probably going to back. It's probably going to back test this breakout area here in 1975. Maybe even come all the way back down to 18 and change before continuing higher. Remember, guys, after impulse is up, you usually get retraces. Okay, so if you're looking to enter long trades, wait for the retraces. Don't enter in on a pump. That is the most dangerous thing you can do, and you can get really hurt by doing that. Do not FOMO into pumps. You should be looking to buy when the coins are dumping and making higher lows. And buying on supports and selling at resistances is the key to success in trading. Well, make sure you guys smash that like button up if you guys haven't done so already. Hit the subscribe button and tick the little bell. I will be doing my live stream tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern as well for you guys. So make sure you guys stop by for that. It is the the Bitcoin weekly and daily candle close. In my opinion, this week is going to be a very interesting week here in the markets with the DXY showing signs of potential reversal, and this could impact the price of Bitcoin and impact the stock market as well. We are seeing some some inverse head and shoulders stuff happening here on the chart, and this could be interesting for the markets and could cause a sell-off if it does break out of this major falling wedge pattern here. All right, so make sure you guys do secure some of your profits for sure, because I am expecting some volatility coming into the market now this week and next week. And be on the lookout. February 8th, the ETH futures are going live on the CMEs, man. ETH is going to be a legitimate commodity up there with Bitcoin. That is big news, guys. And make sure you buy the dip that we get next week. If we get it, it is definitely going to be one of your last opportunities to get Ether under its all-time highs. And we know that once it does break the all-time highs, it will be in price discovery, and it will just be going parabolic, just like Bitcoin did. All right. If you guys have any last minute tickers here that you guys would like me to cover, please drop them in the chat here. If you guys are interested in joining the trading community here, make sure you guys check out the Discord link here in the description below. You can ask all the folks on the stream right now that how amazing of a community we have here, and everyone's always eager to help folks set up bots, set up trading indicators, and get moving with the trading, right? So make sure you guys check out the Discord links, check out the website, swingtradepros.com. Metals, gold, and silver, will they take a hammer too if DXY rallies? Yes, they will. All commodities and all assets will take a hammer if DXY rallies, because they are selling down assets for cash because they are scared or uncertain about what's happening in the market and or taking profits. Obviously, the stock market at all-time highs. Bitcoin obviously near all-time highs, and it will be a risk-off event that takes place. So this pattern also may not play out. What it could do is something like this, where it gets to the top and then just rejects it and actually could break down. Okay, it could break down. But falling wedges don't always have to break to the upside. I think there's a 65% chance that it does break to the upside, but Bulkowski himself actually explains it the best, and we can just look up descending wedge pattern for you guys real quick here, and we'll get an idea of exactly. Here you go. Descending. Where is it? Let's see. Maybe it's just a falling wedge. I don't know how he has this, but wedge. There, falling wedge. So the falling wedge is typically a bullish pattern, obviously. Can be any direction leading to the pattern, so it doesn't matter, right? So we're in a downtrend. Doesn't matter the direction. Breakout can be in any direction, but is upwards 68% of the time. You are looking at a very high probability chance of the DXY breaking to the upside 68% of the time. All right, guys. Well, I think that about is going to wrap it up for today's stream. Make sure you guys check out our stream tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. Hope to see you guys all there. Again, thanks for joining the ad hoc stream here today, and appreciate all your guys' support along the way here. And hopefully, you guys can help me quit my day job by staying subscribed to STP Services, and we can scale that way and get everybody learning what we're all learning here, and have an awesome life, right, guys? So again, appreciate all your guys' help and support along the way here, and hopefully the information that I am giving you guys has been benefiting you and your own personal financials. And thank you guys again for all your guys' support, and see you guys tomorrow 7 p.m. Eastern for the weekly and daily candle close for Bitcoin. Sebastian, what's up, buddy? Yeah, we'll take a look at FTM for you here before we close out the stream. All right, man? Yeah, man. FTM looking good here on the weekly. Descending, broadening wedge pattern. Sitting right on the fibs, okay? You know, major range on this. 3,500% measured move once we break the all-time highs here. Vidoosh tomorrow, Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern time, okay? It is at a different time. So there you go, bro. You know, we're talking about probably by the end of the year to reach these targets for FTM around that $2 mark. It might even not get that high. It might just do half the move up to 30 cents, 32 cents. Sebastian. 1 inch. Yeah, we can take a look at 1 inch. I mean, not much really TA to do here on 1 inch, you know, just nice little ascending triangle breakout. Yeah, it's going to go higher, man. I mean, we're just breaking out right now. Breaking out right now. You're looking at about an 80% measured move on this. right back up to these highs, $3.10 area. All right. Looking good for 1 inch. Looking good for Uniswap. Looking good for any of these real decentralized exchange tokens right now. All right. That is all I'm going to have for you guys for today. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell. Make sure you guys get all of our updates here at Swing Trade Pros. If you guys are interested in our alert service, make sure you guys join the Discord. You can message myself, Mr. Know It All, STP Todd, Ninja Trader, or really any of the STP mods. And we will definitely help you out if you're interested in learning about our indicators and what they can do for you. Either if you're a manual trader or you're a bot trader, we can help both you guys. Check those out. Message myself, anyone in the STP community. They will be glad to help you guys all out, all right? Until tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern, thank you guys so much for joining the stream, guys. We'll see you then.